This is Stavros from Drywall Repair Man in Vancouver, BC, on yet another ceiling repair. What had happened, of course, they had a leak up here. We've done the fill and we've primed it, and it's still drying off. That's why you get that motley color. But mainly for this video, what we wanted to focus on is how well we cover up everything. It's floor to ceiling, right? See, we attach double-sided tape on the top. That's one of our techniques, and then we just go around the whole room, drop it down, 12-foot plastic, and then spray glue the other plastic in the middle. And really it is just a bubble. Everywhere we're going to spray is, you can see my textures there, ready to be filled. My hopper is here. And over all the pictures, over anything that we don't want damaged. There we go, we spotted something we still got to finish taping. There you go. It's good always to do a video before you start working to catch everything. So as you can see, we're still going around taping. You can hear in the background spray glue and tape. But this is how we cover everything, protect everything. When we wrap it up, it all folds up quite neatly. And we just do it carefully from one side, and we make sure all the debris is taken up in the roll as we roll it up and put it into our garbage bags. And with a little bit of vacuuming, a little bit of sweeping up here and there, not much. Place is brand new. We help put the furniture back. If that applies, off we go. We'll see you on the final video if I remember to do one. Stavros from Drywall Repair Man, Vancouver, BC. See you on the next video. Bye.